Hello, my name is Von and I'm the founder of Nimble. We're a baby-friendly cleaning brand on a mission to make cleaning safer, greener, and more effective for parents with young children. I came up with the idea for Nimble when my sister had a baby and was worried about how to wash baby bottles safely. While working on a solution for her to get rid of milk stains and smells, this made me think more widely about the world of parenting and the stress that goes with it. 92% of parents have said they're worried about what's in the products they use to clean their children's everyday spills. And they're right to think so. I was shocked by the harsh chemicals in some of the cleaning products used around kids, and yet not a single brand was addressing them. With my background as a chemist and having worked at Unilever, I used my knowledge to formulate 6 powerful plant-based cleaning products that contain no harsh chemicals, no allergens, and are proudly made here in the UK. And since my humble beginnings with product tests in my kitchen back in 2015, we've achieved £850,000 retail sales value this year alone, 8% market share, and secured listings in major retailers like Tesco, Sainsbury's, and Ocado. And our own sales channels are thriving too. But we're just getting started.
The products are very effective. Because she's got sensitive skin, it doesn't mean that my daughter doesn't throw food around and get messy at nursery and all of that sort of things. 100% I'm confident using these products. They react, well, they don't react with her skin, that's the best thing.
Hi, I'm Alistair. I run a cloud and digital transformation company, about £50 million revenue, and I chair the investment committee at our venture capital fund. I wanted to invest in the last round, which I did, and also the current round, just to accelerate the growth of that company around marketing. I think it's got a long way to go, and Von has done a lot of the hard work already. I think they've made remarkable progress. To see their products on the shelves in Tesco, Sainsbury's, with such a small team and such limited capital is a remarkable achievement. I'm really excited about what they might do when they get a bigger pool of capital to deploy around that marketing side. I'll be very surprised if there aren't bigger international brands that are going to be knocking on Von's door wanting Nimble as part of their portfolio, which as an investor would be great news.
We've now been featured on a few BBC shows, and Nimble has won more than 20 product awards, including the Grocer's Best New Product for Infant Care in 2021. Having now established Nimble as a strong eco-friendly solution for parents, we've come a long way. We're raising EIS investment to launch in more UK supermarkets and international markets, scale our D2C business, and expand into a brand new product category. This way, every parent can have a Nimble product or two in their cupboards. Nimble is kind to little ones, kind to parents, and kind to the planet. And with your help, we can take our mission to the next level to support parents in safely dealing with the messy moments that come with childhood. I hope you will join us on our journey.